morning, guys. It's Dawn from Let's Make a Mess today. How are you doing? Well, as promised, I am going to be doing a really quick one signature flowish type journal. This journal is this flow-ish type journal is the reason it's flowish is so that you're going to be able to just pull out the papers that are in the signature. It's not sewn in, so that's why it's flow-ish. Okay, so we're going to start with 2 pieces of cardboard. This is from a cereal box, and I like to give it, I'm going to give these a little space in between, and I'm just going to put this down on here really quick. I'm going to pull it down here really quick just so I can line it up. Make sure it's lined up on a line down here. So hold on one second while I do this, and then I will show you what I'm going to do. So basically, step 1 is cut out your paper, your cardboard paper, to match your, yeah, that's fine, to match your signature preference size, okay? So basically just start like that. And I'm just going to, and I'm leaving a little space in here. I'll show you why in a moment. This is a great way to use up your stash. But see, there's going to be a little tiny bit of a binding, or a, yeah. So you'll have that. So basically start by, creating a cover. This is going to be your cover. I've picked out my signatures. I know what I want them to be. They're going to be in here like so. And now they'll fit nicely without coming over the top. So basically step 1 is create your signature pages. And step 2 is create a basic for your cover. Now we can move on to step 3, which is kind of getting the cover ready, and I'll be right back for that. So now this is going to be the inside of our journal. So we just want to glue that down real quick. Today I'm just going to use some Jot. I'm probably going to stitch around this. I'm not sure yet. But probably. Maybe. I don't know. Actually, it'd be easier just to put it on here. And sometimes I would go ahead and add some aliens to this, but I'm not today in the interest of time. So this is for the flow swap, the flow-ish swap that we're doing on Let's Make a Mess Today with Dawn Facebook group, if you're interested. The partners have been already posted for this group, so for this particular swap, so you won't be able to join this swap, but maybe next time. It's up to you. We do swaps every month. It's a lot of fun. Okay, I'm going to turn that off. Are we going in and out, or is it me? Yeah, it is going in and out a little bit. Hold on, guys. I thought I fixed it. Okay, that should do it. All right, let's trim this a little bit. Let's do it this way. Okay, perfect. And now for the front cover, I have chosen this really pretty paper. So pretty. And then this will be for the back. Okay, so I will be right back after I get that cut. stitch it, I'm going to go ahead and put down the fabric. Now, the whole reason for the fabric is obviously it's going to look super cute, but the other reason is because it's going to keep the binding really strong in the middle so that you can wrap yarn or thread or ribbon around it to hold your flow signatures in. So let's go ahead and add this. Before I sew it up, I want to add this in here real quick. I'm not the most careful gluer in the world, and so you will probably be more careful than I am, but the name of my channel is Let's Make a Mess, and that is what I do best. Let's just put some glue under there. What the heck? There we go. There we go. Now, if I was selling this, it would be a whole different story, but since this is not a sale, and it's just for fun, we're going to just make a mess and not stress it out. I don't like to stress out. So I do want to flip this over and go on the inside as well to help ensure that we have a nice binding area. I can't think of the name of the back of a book. Spine. That's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for the word spine. So, yeah, there we go. Okay, so then we just fold it over. And then we're going to rip that off there, or cut it. Probably cut it. That will really ensure that that spine is nice and strong. Isn't that cute, too? That looks really cute. I'm going to go ahead and cut that. Okay. I'm not even thinking I don't really need to sew, but we'll see. And if this raises a little bit, so be it. I really like it. I like that to happen. Okay. But yeah, I might go around here a little bit. Now, I don't know if my sewing machine will go through all of that. And it's a little sticky with glue, so I might wait a minute. Wreck my sewing machine, but isn't this going to be adorable? There we go. So a cute little flow, and then we fill her up. But I will show you how to. I'm going to make this a short video. I'm not going to show you how to fill it up. I'm just showing you how to do. Or you guys know how to fill up flow journals. You've seen me do it a million times, and there's lots of other people out there doing it. You know, you put envelopes and paper clips and whatever else in here that you want to put in. But basically, my way. I just really wanted to show you how to do a spine today to make it so that when you do tie it in, it will be strong enough to hold everything that you're putting in there. So hold on one second. Let me flip that little guy off of there. You could round these corners. That would look really cute. You know, I plan on poking a hole in here and adding a dangle. There's so many things you can do on this, and I'll show you it at the end, but I'm not going to show you the whole process today, just so that I can get this video up so that you guys can start making yours if you haven't already. So I do think I'm going to try to go around this with a real light stitch right now. So let me see if that happens, and I'll be right back. Okay, we're back. Okay, so I think I'm going to cut it short and just call this is the beginning of the flow journal. So this is basically the basics of what you need for your flow journal on Let's Make a Mess Today with Dawn group today. So basically I did go around it and I stitched it all the way around. It looks really cute that way. So basically that's how you would make a really nice cover that would fit you know, your signatures, and you know, you don't have to sew and you don't have to add this fabric, but I really think the fabric or a ribbon or anything is an important part of this journal because it does really reinforce this spine. So there you go. So then it's 12 pages, which I added a few more than 12, but that's okay. Now you'll go through and you'll add your pockets, and I don't know if I'm going to make a part 2 and show you the pockets or not, but we'll see how it goes. I'm not sure, but I just definitely wanted to get this posted because I know there was some questions. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little how to make a one signature video. Oh, and let me just show you really quick how you would just sew this in. Not sew, but tie this in. I'm going to grab a piece of yarn. It's not what I'm going to use, but you just basically take a piece of yarn, any yarn, Who knows, maybe I will use this. And you just basically go like that, come up to the top, give it a little tie, and not too tight, because you don't want to ruin your book. And then you'll tie a knot, but I'm only tying a bow because, but there, so there you have it. So that would be, that actually looks fairly cute. I might leave that. So there, that's how you would tie in your signature, and that's how you, and then now people are able to pull in and out the pages. So I helped some of you, I hope this helps some of you with the how to make a one signature flow. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed. Talk soon, take care, be well, bye guys.